ओम श्री गणेशाय नमः। जय श्री हरि विष्णु भगवान, जय महालक्ष्मी माता। Vijaya Ekachi Vrat Katha in English. Arjuna was feeling immense joy in hearing the glorification of Ekadashi. After listening to the story of Jaya Ekadashi, Arjuna said, O Pundarikaksh, what is the name of the Ekadashi of Krishna Paksha of Falgun month and what is the rule of its fast? Please tell me in detail about it also. Shri Krishna said, O Arjun, the name of Ekadashi of Krishna Paksha Falgun month is Vijaya. Because of its fast, a person gets Vijay Shri, that is victory. All sins are eliminated by listening and reading the glorification Mahatmya of this Vijaya Ekadashi. Once Devrishi Narad said to Brahmaji, the father of the universe, O Brahmaji, please tell me the fast of Vijaya Ekadashi of Krishna Paksha Falgun month and its method. After listening to Devrishi Narad, Brahmaji said, O son, fasting on Vijaya Ekadashi destroys past and present sins. Till now, I have not told the rules and procedure of this Ekadashi to anyone, but I will tell you now. The Vijaya Ekadashi grants victory to all the people who keep fast on this day. Now listen to the story with complete devotion. When Sri Ram got 14 years of exile, he started living in Panchvati along with his brother Lakshman and consort Devi Sita. At that time, the felonious demon king Ravan abducted Mata Sita. Sri Ramji and Lakshmanji were extremely saddened by this tragic incident and started wandering from forest to forest in search of Sita ji. Wandering through the forests, they found the Jatayu who was dying. Jatayu narrated to him the entire story of Mother Sita's abduction, took his last breath in the lap of Lord Sri Ram, and attained heaven. Later, Sri Ram and Lakshman became friends with Sugriv ji, and there they killed vicious Bali. Hanumanji, the ardent devotee of Sri Ram, went to Lanka and searched out Mata Sita and narrated the entire story of the friendship between Sri Ramji and Maharaj Sugriv. Hanumanji came to Sri Ramchandraji after returning from there and narrated the entire story of his meeting with Mata Sita in Ashok Vatika. After knowing the whole situation, Sri Ramchandraji, with the consent of Sugriv, left for Lanka along with his army of monkeys and bears. On reaching the seashore, Sri Ramji saw the vast sea full of crocodiles and said to Lakshmanji, O Lakshman, how will we cross this vast sea full of uncountable crocodiles and predatory creatures? After listening to Lord Sri Ram, Lakshmanji said, Brother, you are Puran Purushottam, Adi Purush. Nothing is hidden from you. Half a yojan away from here is the ashram of Vakdalabhya Muni on Kumari Island. He is the knower of Brahmas of many names. Only they can tell you the solutions to your victory. Listening the words of his younger brother Lakshmanji, Sri Ramji went to the ashram of Vakdalabhya Rishi and set aside after paying obeisance to him. Seeing Sri Ram in his ashram, Maharishi Vakdalabhya asked, O Sri Ram, for what purpose have you sanctified my hut? Please tell me your purpose, Lord. Hearing the sage's sweet words, Sri Ramji said, O Rishivar, I have come here with my army and I am going to Lanka with the desire to conquer the demon king Ravan. Please tell me some way to cross the sea. This is my purpose in coming to you. Maharishi Vakdalabhya said, O Ram, let me tell you a very good fast. By doing this, you will definitely get Vijay Shri, that is victory. What kind of fast is this, Muni Shresht? By doing which one achieves victory in all fields? Sri Ram asked with curiosity. On this, Maharishi Vakdalabhya said, O Sri Ram, by fasting on Vijaya Ekadashi of Krishna Paksha Falgun month, you will certainly cross the ocean and will be victorious in the war also. O Maryada Purushottam, for this fast, make a kalash of gold, silver, copper or clay on the day of Dashmi. Fill that kalash with water. Place Panch Pallav on it and install it on the altar, Vedika. Place Satanj, that is 7 mixed grains under that kalash and barley on top. Install a golden idol of Lord Vishnu on it. On the day of Ekadashi, after taking a bath, worship Lord Sri Hari with incense, lamp, nevedya, coconut, etc. Spend the whole day devotionally in front of that kalash and stay awake at night by sitting in the same manner. On the day of Dwachi, after taking a bath on the banks of a river or pond, give that kalash to a Brahmin. Hey Dashrath Nandan, if you observe this fast with your army generals, then Vijay Shri, victory, will unquestionably choose you. After listening to the sage's words, Sri Ramchandra ji observed the fast of Vijaya Ekadashi and with its influence attained victory over the demons. O Arjuna, the person who completes this fast with all the rituals will be victorious in both worlds. Sri Brahmaji had said to Naradji, one who hears or reads the greatness or glorification of this fast gets the fruits of Vajpayee Yagya. Worshipping Lord Vishnu in any form fulfills all the wishes of human beings. Although Sri Ram himself was an incarnation of Vishnu, he observed this fast for the sake of Lord Vishnu to show the right path to living beings through his Leela. One who desires victory can attain eternal results by observing this fast. Vijaya Ekachi Vrat Katha in English is completed. All those who are listening, please say with me, Jai Shri Hari Vishnu Bhagwan, Jai Mahalakshmi Mata. Friends, please like and share this video. Also do subscribe the channel if you have not already subscribed, as you will get updates related to Sanatan Dharma, Hinduism, upcoming festival dates, etc. Thanks. Jai Shri Krishna. Hare Krishna.